Here's your challenge. Sit down and write how many days per week you want to lift weights. Or maybe you want to plan your workouts by a 30-day schedule, which I often do. But let's say you want to lift 4 days per week. If those 4 days are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, then write that down. Once you know that information, write down which muscles or body segments you want to work on those respective days, and write down which exercises you want to do on those days. For an example, on Mondays, you might decide you want to do chest, calves, and abs, upper body and lower body. On Tuesday, you may want to do triceps, biceps, and maybe your lower back. Then write down how many sets and how many reps per set you'd like to achieve. If you're new to weight training, you may also want to include a goal weight that you want to try to use. Now, it's important that you don't get too hung up on weight and rep ranges. Focus on the number of sets you're wanting to achieve and always find the right weight as you go through the workouts. Mechanical failure is important, and you want to reach this by 15 reps at most. Then comes tracking, which will help you adjust your plan. Track the workout and record how much weight you actually did for each exercise, how many sets and how many reps were performed to reach failure. Take this information back to the gym with you the next time you go to work out. It's very helpful. Again, by tracking your workout, you will be able to adjust your plan in the event you find the amount of weight you plan to lift is too little or too much, or maybe the reps and the sets or even the exercises just weren't suiting you. But remember, tracking is going to allow you to see your progress even if you're not seeing it in the mirror yet. If you have exercises that you are currently doing that you like and find beneficial, include those exercises into your new plan. An example would be, I like doing a form of superset combo lifts with certain exercises. One example is inclined close grip dumbbell presses. I like doing these dumbbell presses as soon as I have completed the set. I jump on the cables and perform a set of standing cable flies. This allows me to get double the volume than I would if I was only doing the dumbbell presses. You could implement something similar into your workout plan. Maybe you feel your biceps are lagging behind. If so, you could do a set of chin-ups on the bar and immediately follow that with a set of dumbbell curls. Adding these types of supersets to your workout will allow you to continue doing many of the exercises you enjoy, but with a new twist which brings a new challenge to the muscles. These type lifts will completely take you into uncharted territory and the results will be great. Just remember, unless you're a seasoned lifter, be careful doing these split set exercises because they are more taxing on the body. Every time you enter the gym, have that workout plan in your hand, whether it's on notebook paper, a legal pad, an iPad, or your phone, whatever it may be. Follow the plan just as you have written it and watch what happens for you over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Change up the weight as needed and change up the plan every 6 to 8 weeks, even if it means just doing it in reverse order and adding a superset, drop set, or a giant set to the mix.